I am Amandeep Sehra from NIFM Institute or Smart Disha Academy. So I'm last 6 months I am a student. So I started by studying each and every modules, capital, derivative, currency, technical and all. First I cleared the modules, capital, what is derivative, what are, how to see the market, how to analyze the market. Plus I right now from the news basis I also see the stocks analysis I do, but it takes 2 to 3 hours to do analysis and analysis. Plus I also see the data. Fundamentally, I also see the data, balance sheets of 5 years, how the company is working, how many investors are there, how many shares are there in their companies. Plus, right now in every stocks I am working with Bollinger Band and RSI. That works well for me, and from breakouts I do the trades, or I sit for 2 to 3 hours to analyze the market and how market behavior and how market is volatile and liquidity and all each and everything. I see each and every sectors what they are behaving, and news helps a lot for the to see the stocks. But okay. And
But so far as the stock is concerned, actually, what are the factors you are monitoring, and what is your strategy basically?
I see the company's balance sheets, and plus how company is working, how they are giving the returns, and plus I'm working with each and every stocks to see the news also. एंड एक चीज़ आप बोल सकते हैं कि जैसे कि न्यूज़ देख के उसको पॉजिटिव व्यू में देख के भी आप कर सकते हैं. इट्स वन द वे ऑल्सो. एंड प्लस डेटा विच हेल्प्स फ्रॉम द ऑनलाइन यू गेट द डेटा दैट हेल्प्स टू सी द स्टॉक्स.
ओके, सो बेसिकली अप्रोच आपका स्विंग ट्रेडिंग है या इंट्राडे है?
I do swing and intra both, but intra helps me in 30 minutes time frame. I achieve targets. When market is more volatile, so I take small targets for 40-50 points each and every. So I take and I work for 15 minutes. But my main concept is I do intra and positional both.
Okay, suppose you want to take a trade. What is your trade setup?
My trade setup is first I see the Nifty Bank Nifty's behavior index. I also see and that index shows me how the sectors will work and what are their returns and all. And plus the indicators, lot of time my indicators help me to do the trade setups.
Okay, so last 2 to 3 months, what is your average percentile return on your investment?
Oh, my investment was around. I have used my fund 1 lakh rupees, so I am getting maximum for monthly. I have now recently I have achieved from the option that is 30 to 40% I have achieved.
30 to 40% per month you are achieving.
Per month I am taking out my profit.
That's excellent. So anything you would like to suggest for the upcoming students?
I would suggest that you should have to sit for an hour and hour to do the analysis and stocks, because see, if you are seeing for long term investment, so you have to see the sector's behavior, fundamental, and their facts and figures you have to see. But I will suggest you should do daily 2 to 3 hours analysis, then only you can set up your trade and all.
Okay, whatever the curriculum we are teaching and what are the process we are following, you think all should meticulously follow?
Yes, I should think you should follow meticulously, and you should clear your doubts also. The doubts will help you to build up your skills and knowledge and all.
Okay, if you say few words about the NIFM Academy and regarding the service and facilities given to you.
Overall service is good, and their approach is also good. They give knowledge, and no doubt study material is one thing. But if you don't know about the live how the market is doing and how the market is approached in the positive way, so you should know.
Okay, present status where 9 to 10 live market session we are providing, how you do feel that it is going to help you?
It will help me a lot, because I from last 2 months I am doing tradings with live 9 to 10 live sessions. So I am seeing that I am seeing a positive, and I am seeing that it will help me a lot, because the explanation is also good. So they are saying it, see these are the position to buy and sell, so that will help me. Sure.
Okay.
9 to 10 is the good way to help me.
Chalo, great. Thank you, Amandeep, for your journey. Wishing you all the best.
Thank you so much, sir.